From Wall Street to Main Street, this is LALATE.
It's Morning's Crypto here on LALATE with your live crypto news this morning. I'll be going over the top coins to invest in 2021, and we'll be going over the live cryptocurrency movements this morning. We'll be looking at a series of coins that are bucking the trend and upward trending while the market is down this morning slightly. We'll go over what happened yesterday and what happened on the weekend, slightly different than the prior weeks. We'll anticipate where the market crash will next be coming, and we'll go over why this market, as we start June gloom, will be literally June gloom. You'll see different trading opportunities now than you saw before, and you'll understand that buying and holding may not deliver the type of returns you saw from February to May. This is Morning's Crypto. Thank you for joining me on a big morning. Subscribe. 400,000 subscribers, a YouTube record in 1 year. Let's go to 1 million. Hit that subscribe button right now. Like this video and consider becoming a member. Also share these videos on Facebook, Reddit, and Instagram. This is one of 3 shows every day on this channel for cryptocurrency. Next, I'm with you at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time with Evening's Crypto, a tape show minutes before it airs, and then Overnight's Crypto, a live feed that last night broke all numbers on this channel, massive numbers, 15 hours, and we chat around the clock. Let's get right into the charts this morning. The market is down slightly today after it was up slightly yesterday. Let's look at a series of coins we're going to be going over right off the bat, and then we'll circle back and see where they are. Bitcoin, you see right now, with a very interesting dive. You see that dive there? We'll be going over that dive and that rise. If that looks like an anomaly, it's not. I'll explain what's going on there. Then here's Ethereum, struggling again on another day. And then here we have Dogecoin. It had done nicely early in the day, but is struggling now in the early morning. Polygon, trading in a range, even though it had a nice run last night. And then we'll be looking at other coins, which I recommend on top of Polygon, which are Engine Coin, Decentraland, and also Solana we'll be looking at, and we'll understand how to buy certain coins and understand how to get that profit quickly and urgently and not hold the coin. We'll be going also into the split screen, and we'll look at where the market is across the board this morning. We'll be looking and seeing why certain coins are struggling yet again on another day, and why you have to re-gauge your buying and selling strategies. Good morning. Here's what you need to know is that the market is doing much of what it has done for the last few days. Up 3%, down 3%, up 3%, down 3%. Here's why that is not good for cryptocurrency. People get into cryptocurrency for an obvious reason. Quick returns, short returns, big returns that you can't get in stocks. If you can buy a stock and hold it for a month and get a very nice 5% return, you would do that over holding a coin that doesn't go anywhere over a week. Up, down, up, down, up, down gives you no return. Also, if you could buy a stock and hold it for 3 months and get 20% return on your money, why would you buy a cryptocurrency position? Here's what you need to know, is that the market is a totally different market as we start the month of June. From February to May, you could buy a coin, put it away, put it in the refrigerator, not look at it, and get a 1,000% return on your money in less than 90 days, something you never can get in the stock market. That cryptocurrency market is no longer with us. The current cryptocurrency market started around May, and this is what we saw. Bitcoin, Ethereum, down 3% every single day, day after day after day after day. Dogecoin, day after day. Shiba, day after day, down, down, down. So you bought a position whenever you did, and you saw it go less of value day after day from May all the way through now, June. That trend is now going into a trading range, which is up 3%, down 3% every single day, basically not returning any investment value. A coin that is going down consecutive days is losing money, and a coin that is in a trading range up and down 3% is not delivering any money. So how do you re-gauge yourself? How do you refocus? And this is how you do it. I will identify for you 4 coins on this channel this morning, the same for coins I detailed yesterday, that you can buy the coin at a certain price point and resell it and sell the coin at double your money in a short period of time. Or one other coin that you could buy and resell at 3 times your money. The trading opportunity is a very narrow window, that the opportunity to buy will only happen in 1 day and the opportunity to sell will only happen in 1 day. And those buying and selling turnaround times may happen in less than 36 hours. So you have to be really attentive to when those opportunities are occurring. And what are those coins? Let's go over the details right now. Number 1 is Polygon. Number 2 is Engine. Number 3 is Decentraland. Number 4 is LivePeer. I have all the charts for all of them with the exception of LivePeer, which I think I have to grab because I didn't tee that up. But they all look ostensibly the same. Polygon is a double your money. Decentraland is a double your money. Engine coin is a double your money. And a LivePeer is a triple your money. All right, let's look starting with Polygon. Polygon is very simple. You are going to buy it at 80 cents when that opportunity occurs, and you're going to sell it at $2. There is an importance to understand when you're buying and selling Polygon and when you're buying and selling Decentraland or LivePeer or Engine coin, that the coin is not going to go below a level and not go above a level, that it's going to trade in a range, and you can't think that there's any other range but that, because that is what is exhibited. Polygon goes to 80 cents. It goes from 80 cents and it goes to $2. So you're going to buy at 80 cents, and you can sell at $2. More about when you're going to buy and sell in a second. But I want you to know the coin and know the price range. You're going to buy at 80 cents, you're going to sell at $2. Here's what you need to know, is that you will be able to get it at 84, 85, 86. You may not get it exactly 80. And you'll certainly be able to sell it at 2. You may not get 220, you may not get 230, you may not get 240. So do not be aggressive on the sell side and not get out. Look at how quickly the opportunity to get out is. So you want to get out when it gets to 2, when you double your money. Obviously 80 cents to 2 is more than double your money. So when you have doubled your money, be content and get out. And you're going to do it again. That is coin number 1. Coin number 2 you're going to do it with is Engine coin. So Engine coin is let me pull up a 3-month chart so you see the Engine coin opportunity. There you go. So Engine coin, you're going to buy at 84 cents and you're going to sell out at double that. So about a 160. So you want to buy about 80 cents and out at 160. Again, this opportunity to double your money is a little bit narrower, but it's about the same. It's about an 80 cents in and about a 160 out. Engine coin. Your third coin you're going to do this with is Decentraland. Now, ultimately, I'll go over whether you want to do 1 coin or 3 coins. I'll go over that in a second. But Decentraland, you're going to get in about 50 cents and get out at $1. Now, you see, Decentraland is a little bit narrower than a double your money. So you may make a little bit less potentially than double your money. In at 50 cents, out at $1. And I don't think I pulled up the chart on LivePeer. Let me see if I can grab it right now. But LivePeer is a triple your money situation. So LivePeer has the opportunity to buy. There's LivePeer. Listen, let me grab the chart on the fly right with you on air. We are live on air direct from Santa Monica. So LivePeer, you're going to get in at $11 and out at 33. 11, here's 11, and out at 33. Now it goes higher than 33. So I don't want you to hold out too long. I don't want you to hold out for 34, 35. I want you to get out at 33. Getting in at 11 may be a little bit hard. Maybe you get in at 12, but I want you have the opportunity here to get triple your money. So there you go. Now you understand which coins I like and how we're doing this. Now, why are we doing this? Why are we trading instead of buying and holding? Because the purpose of cryptocurrency is to make money that you can't make somewhere else. The purpose of cryptocurrency is generally not to buy something and put it away for 3 months and it has no value. The purpose of cryptocurrency is to buy something and in 3 months you have made an enormous amount of money that you can't make in the stock market. If you can make more money in the stock market, you would not be in cryptocurrency. The purpose of cryptocurrency is to make an insanely larger amount of money. And nowhere in the stock market do you have the opportunity to make 300% return your money in 3 or 4 days, in 1 week. You don't have that opportunity. These coins give you that opportunity. So would you buy and hold anything at this point? I say there's only 2 coins you would do that with. Those are Bitcoin or Ethereum. If you bought Bitcoin at 30,000, for example, 31,000, you stole it on a market correction, or Ethereum at $1,500, $1,700, yes, you would put it away and not look at it and come back to it in 3 years, 5 years, and it's going to be 10 times the amount. You buy Ethereum at 1,500, it'll go to 10,000. Sure. But anything else, would I do that? Absolutely not. Would I buy Doge now and put it away? No. Now, if you have Doge and you already bought it and you've not sold it, could you put it away and hope it's going to go up? Sure, it's going to go up. Absolutely, Doge is going to go up. But I want you to understand the following, is that Doge may take a long time to go up, and that in that time, if you have other cash available to buy and sell, do that, because this is a buying and selling market. Beyond that, I would not be holding coins. I would not be holding coins. I would be buying and selling the coins. Now, here's what you need to know about when. So you saw which, now we're going to go over when. When are the opportunities to buy? There are going to be two market events that trigger a suggestion that the buying opportunity is going to occur. And those two market events have to occur, at least one of them have to occur over 24 hours. Market trend number one, Bitcoin is under 35,000 for more than 24 hours. It's done that lately. Market trend number two, Ethereum is under 1,500, under 2,500 for more than 24 hours. Ethereum has done that. So if either of those events are occurring, you're going to have a downturn. Now, if both of those events are occurring, you're definitely going to have a downturn. Here's what's going to happen, is that you're either going to have a sharp downturn or a progressive downturn. A sharp downturn that looks like this. This is where there is a liquidation event, where people have bought coins on margin, on debt, borrowed against them to buy them. And the computer platforms are closing out their accounts because the coins have gotten devalued. They're closing out the accounts. You will see a crash like this. Otherwise, you're going to see a crash that's like this, that's progressively gets slower over time. You're going to see it unfolding. So this one, you will certainly see unfolding. You will see Polygon go from 160 to 140 to 120 to $1. You will clearly see an erosion happening. Now, it may take a few hours than a few days, but that's where you need to know. Now, why do I think the market is going to go higher before it crashes? No, I don't think this market has legs. I don't think this market has support. Ethereum, if you look at Ethereum's chart since last week, Ethereum had a beautiful Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday last week, as most coins did. Most coins had their highest point of the entire last 7 days, last Wednesday. And since then, Ethereum has not delivered more than 48 hours of good numbers. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, or it goes down, down, down. I don't like that. Doge is doing the same thing. Bitcoin is doing the same thing. So these coins are not delivering investment returns. They're not. They're either like this or they're like this. That's not going to cut it. So you got to get into coins that are uptrending. Now, in addition to the coins, let me go over when that opportunity unfolds and when it will manifest itself. Well, there's two possibilities of when this event will occur. Actually, three. The first one is when the People's Republic of China potentially makes another news announcement. Their prior news announcements caused crash number 1 and crash number 2 of last month. Those news announcements were 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So just sort of keep that in your blinkers, that's the time of the day that they made those news announcements. The second opportunity for a market correction is Sunday afternoons from maybe about noontime Pacific Standard Time all the way to about 8 o'clock. That is when the second market correction occurred, because that was crash number 3. That was a severe market crash that just sort of eroded prices over that Sunday. The third event is something that is an anomaly that sort of snowballs into a strange event. You see that this market is not getting good support at the moment. So any little thing that could trigger a concern among the coin holders could bring this market down very quickly. It's just a very unstable market. It does not show good resistance. It does not show good support. All right, let's go into the split screen right now and look and see where the market is, so we get a sense of where that market is right now. And let's see if we're going to stock other coins. What does stock coin means? It means if we see a coin that is up for the 24-hour and the 7 days with big numbers, like 20% up today and 50% up for the 7-day, then we want to know who this coin is. We start by stocking. We want to watch that coin over the next 2 days, see if it does it again tomorrow. If it does it again tomorrow, then it becomes a coin of interest. That's how Engine, Decentraland, Live Peer, became coins of interest on the top of Polygon. They went from coins of stalking to coins of interest to then coins that we want to buy. And let's go into the split screen and look at the markets right now. The market is down 1.5% when I went on air. Let's see where it is right now. It's down 1.8% since I went on air. So it's down a little bit lower than just a few minutes ago. Bitcoin's down 3% right now. It's at 35,000. It's triggering threshold number one, warning signal number one. Bitcoin's at 35,000. That means that the market could go lower. How about warning signal number two? It's triggered as well. Ethereum is at 2,500. Now, Ethereum is even more negative news because Ethereum has been down 3% day after day after day. This is what Ethereum did before those three market crashes. It was down 3% day after day after day. If Ethereum continues to do this, it's very obvious where we're heading. 3% after 2,500 is then 2,100. 3% after that is 1,900. 3% after that is 1,700, 1,500. So you can't keep on doing 3% losses for Ethereum. Otherwise, you're going to be at a market correction. And that's why it's important to understand that. So there's Cardano. Cardano is doing relatively nice. It's up 2% today, bucking the market trend. There's Doge, which is very fascinating. Doge went up to 33 cents last night or this morning. There was a lot of excitement of how well Doge was doing, but it's back down to 31 cents. So Doge is not showing that support. Doge is just a blink away from 28 cents again, or 27 cents. It is not going to 35 cents and holding it. It is not going to 33 cents and holding it. It wants to stay around 30, 30, 31. So with that low threshold, it means it could fall very low very quickly with a market event. All right, let's go out to the other coins in the top group. So there is Polygon. Here's an example of how looking at a chart will be deceptive for you. So you have a chart that shows 24 hours, a chart that shows 7-day movement, 3-month and longer. If you look at Polygon, right on market capitalization, the first number you're going to see is for the 24 hours is down 2%. That's horrible, you may think. No, it's at $1.81. So it has had an enormous run up from 80 cents to $2. And so the fact that it's at from $2 down to $1.80 is almost merely nothing. So that's why you have to always look out further on your chart. You won't even understand that from the 7-day chart, because the 7-day chart says it's only up 5%. So always look out further on your coin to know how they're moving. Now, Solana is an example of a coin that I had recommended before the 3 market crashes. After the 3 market crashes, it didn't rebound quickly. It has still not rebounded. Yesterday it did well. Today it's down 5%. So it shows you it's still struggling after 3 market crashes. Also important to remember, the 3 market crashes were more than 7 days ago. So when you look at the 7-day chart, you may see something like, oh, Theta's up, Theta, T-H-E-T-A, is up 17% right now. For the 7-day, 14% up right now. That's a stalker number. We're going to look at that coin and learn a little bit about it. But understand, when you're looking at 7-day, the 3 market crashes were more than 7 days ago. So the coin may be below the 3 market crashes levels. I don't know. But here again is Theta. T-H-E-A. It is up 14% right now and up 16% for the 7-day. Everything else is red, down, down, down. So Theta is a stalker coin. We want to stalk Theta. See if Theta gives us good numbers tomorrow. There's Aave, one of the coins I recommended before the market crashes. It did not rebound after the market crashes. It's up today and up for the 7-day, but it's basically flat. And boy, if you could look at coinmarketcap.com with me right now, you would just see red, red, red. I'm going to bring it up for you in just a second. KUSAMA, another coin which I recommended before the 3 market crashes. It's up 6% today, up 14% for the 7-day. So KUSAMA is trying to get some legs in there. Good news. Here's an example of a stalker coin who's no longer a coin of interest. So PancakeSwap was up a lot yesterday. We said, oh, what is that PancakeSwap? Today, it's down. So you don't want to see a coin that goes up one day and then back down in a few days. That is not a good signal. Shiba is an example of that. Shiba is a bad coin. It is down 5% today. It is down 11% since the 3 market crashes. So imagine, Shiba is just a blink away from no value. Let me pull up coinmarketcap.com so you can also see it right now. So there you go. Let me show it to you. Look, let's look. I'm going to use my mouse here so you can see my mouse. We're going to look, see right here? We're going to look, no, let me do it like there. There you go. So see my mouse? We are looking at those, those green and reds. Look how much red there is on the 7-day. The 7-day is the second one. Look how much red. It's just red and red. It's just a bad market. It's just a bad market. People ask me, what are those green and red charts? So depending on what the chart is, whether it's 7 days or 24 hours, red means it's down, green means it's up. All right, let's go back in and understand what you need to know starting in the morning. So Bitcoin at 35,000, Ethereum at 2,500. Remember why I started this video at? I said if either of those events occur, you could have a warning signal that we're going down lower. Well, guess what? We have both of those events occurring. So this is not a good market. Why is this not a good market? Here's 3 reasons why. First, that one. Second, we haven't had day after day of up in a while. I think the longest run we've had of 3 consecutive up days was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday last week. Thursday was a bloodbath. Friday was flat. Saturday was up. Sunday was down. Monday was up a little bit, very, very little. And now it's Tuesday and we're down again. So you can't keep on going up and down and up and down and up and down. You will not get any return on your investment. You'll buy a coin at $1. It'll go up to $1.30 and then go back down to $1. So you can't get a return on your investment if the coin keeps on going up and going down. So will the market event correction occur? Yes. When will it occur? I have no idea. I do know that Sundays are our weakest days of the week. Last Sunday did not deliver that weakness that we were expecting. But ironically, while Sunday did not deliver the weakness that buyers were looking for, Monday did not deliver the upside that sellers were looking for. Monday was not that up. Monday was good, but it was not that great. And today's Tuesday, so it's just not a good market at the moment. Ultimately, it's important to understand that if you had a coin that you thought you could get in and get a quick return your money in May, you're in a bad situation right now. So here's what I want you to know. There are different types of buyers, different types of sellers. I want to go over them right now. You are either aggressive or conservative on the buy side, or aggressive or conservative on the sell side. Most viewers are aggressive on the buy side and conservative on the sell side. Let me show you an example. Aggressive on the buy side means if the market collapses, you buy Polygon at 80 cents, even though Polygon may go lower to 60 cents. Conservative on the buy side means, no, I'm worried the market may get lower. I'm not buying Polygon at 80 cents. I'll wait till the market rebounds a little bit and I'll buy it at $1.10. Most viewers of this channel are aggressive on the buy side. They rather come in even on the fear that Polygon may go lower. Then on the sell side, most viewers are conservative on the sell side because they are trading. So they know how high the coin will go and they're getting out when it gets there. Polygon is not going to go to $3. It's going to go to 2 something. So you're going to get out at $2. You're not going to hold around for $2.40 or $2.50. You ain't going to go to $2.50. You're going to get out at $2. So you're conservative on the sell side to take that profit. Aggressive on the sell side is not only not used by most viewers as channel, but is what has really hit viewers of other channels badly. An example is people who really had no intentions of holding some coins, really just wanted to make a profit. They got in April with the intention of having a profit. And now that profit is not there in June. So where their price point is, they are now below their purchase price. They bought in April and now they're below that April level now in June. Or they bought in May and they're below that level in June. Now there's one last type of viewer, and that's the viewer who had a great purchase price. You bought in January. You bought in February. Maybe you bought it last year. You have a great purchase price. So what do? Maybe you just hold. Maybe you just hold. But if you want to buy and sell some other coins, then buy and sell some other coins. Finally, how many coins should you buy? How much should you buy of the coin? And how should you do it? First, viewers always ask what platforms. Most of the coins you see on this channel are available on Gemini or Coinbase. They all have transaction fees, so embed that into your analysis on where you're going to make your profit and sell on. They also sometimes have minimums. Gemini has a $20 minimum. Coinbase has a different minimum, but they don't have $100 minimums. When you're looking at coin like Bitcoin, that's 35,000. You don't have to buy the whole coin. So you can buy a $20 investment in Bitcoin. What's important to know is that buying a cheaper coin that is a $1 coin versus a $35,000 Bitcoin doesn't make you more money. I don't know how many times I have to say this, but I really see people talking about this. The fact that you're buying 12 million Shiba coins, you can lose that money as quickly in Shiba as if you bought only a $20 position in Bitcoin. Because a cheap investment any movement on a cheap investment loses money as severely as it goes up in money. So understand, you don't have to be buying a cheap coin to make a profit. You want to buy a coin that gives you a return. Finally, should you buy one coin or should you buy multiple coins? I recommend viewers to start by learning the process. It's important for you to get your feet wet. And so start by learning the process. Once you've learned the process, then it depends on you. Some people like to be what they call diversified. So they don't want to have everything in all their coin positions in one coin. They rather have 2 or 3 coins because ultimately maybe one coin pops more than the other coin. Here's what you need to know is that this market is going up and down in a certain trend. And when it's down, certain coins are not rebounding. But when they're up, they all go up about the same time. So if you're looking at a Decentraland or an Engine Coin or a LiveP or a Polygon, maybe you want to buy 4, maybe you just want to buy 1. Ultimately, choose the coin that you're comfortable with, and you may not even choose those 4. You may find another coin. What I want you to do when you're making your purchase and your sell determinations is the following. Plan ahead of time. So at the end of this video, get a pen and paper out and look and figure out which coin am I going to buy. What price am I going to buy that coin at? What price am I looking to sell that coin at? You need to know, starting going in, where you're buying and selling. If you don't, you're going on false hope, on belief that an event will occur that has never occurred. You want to know how high that coin goes, and you want to get out of that coin. What are you going to buy it? What are you going to sell it? Then embed some of the transactional fees into the analysis. And then you'll know exactly where your profit return will be. And you'll be ready to pounce. Next, know how much you're going to invest in that coin, whether it's going to be 100 or 300 or 100, however much you're going to invest, so that when that opportunity comes, you're ready to pounce. Finally, subscribe, because if you subscribe, then you'll get an alert from me when a market correction is happening. I know today, for some particular reason, this Tuesday morning, there's something going on with the YouTube platform that alerts are not being sent out to subscribers. I've seen that. So I don't know what's going on. Hopefully it corrects itself later today. But a lot of the alerts I've been sending out from YouTube have not been going out to subscribers on the channel. But normally they do go out. And with that, make sure you subscribe. Also, like this video. I'm next back with you on Evenings Crypto. That is at 7 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. That is a tape show that airs that is taped right before it airs. So don't miss that show. Then also always watch the Overnights Crypto, which is a 15-hour show, and last night broke all records on this channel. It is absolutely through the roof. I'm next with you with Noontime LA here at about 11 a.m. So subscribe. 400,000 subscribers in 1 year at a YouTube record. Let's go to 1 million. Share these videos on Facebook, Reddit, Instagram. Tell people to come on over. Like this video. Consider every like helps 3,000 likes, and consider becoming a member. And if you have questions or comments about particular coins you want input on, whether the price side or the sell side or other coins not covered in this channel, jump into that Overnight Crypto show. I'm in the live chat and I interact with the viewers, and I love your questions. And with that, stay informed, stay focused, have a beautiful morning, and I'll see you next.